RBI issues draft guidelines for weekly credit score updates. How will this impact you? RBI has released a draft with directions for the weekly update of credit information from the current fortnightly updates. The faster updates will help banks with more accurate credit underwriting and borrowers with better access to loans on better terms. From April 2026, the RBI's new directions will require banks to update credit scores weekly. When evaluating credit card and loan applications, banks and NBFCs consider various factors, including the applicant's credit score, income, age, work experience, and other relevant details. The applicant's credit score is an important eligibility criterion. Banks usually consider a credit score of 750 or above as favorable for approving credit card and loan applications. In such a scenario, a timely update of the credit score and report by credit information companies, CICs, is important. In this regard, on 29 September 2025, the RBI made an important announcement. In this article, we will examine how credit scores will be updated every week and what will be its implications for both banks and their customers. Draft directions for the weekly update of the credit score. On 29 September 2025, the RBI released the Reserve Bank of India Credit Information Reporting, her First Amendment. Directions 2025. Draft. According to the draft directions, credit information companies, CICs, such as CRIF Highmark, shall keep the credit information they collect and maintain updated regularly on a weekly basis. The CICs will need to keep the credit score and report of individuals updated as on the 7th, 14th, 21st, 28th and last date of the respective month. The CICs can keep the credit information updated at shorter intervals than a week, as mutually agreed upon between the credit institutions, banks and NBFCs, and CICs. The banks shall submit the full file containing credit information records as at the last day of the month to the CICs by the third day of the next month. For example, the bank shall submit the credit information records as at 31st October 2025 to the CICs by 3rd November 2025. The full file shall include all active accounts in the books of the banks and the accounts where the relationship between the borrower and the banks has ended since the last reporting cycle. For weekly submissions during the month, credit information records as on 7th, 14th, 21st and 28th, the banks shall furnish only the incremental data to the CICs. The incremental data shall include the following details: accounts opened since the last reporting cycle, accounts wherein the relationship between the borrower and the bank has ended since the last reporting cycle, accounts where there is